expanding bolt design with cold weather function, the Jordan Spizike Winterized returns ahead of fall in a striking ghost, photo blue, blue chill, and hot lava colorway, clearly inspired by Spider-Man's iconic palette. Debuting in 2006 during a retro lull, the Spizike gained cult status for merging elements from Air Jordans 3, 4, 5, 6, and 20. This latest version targets chilly climates with ripstop nylon, quilted panels, and fleece-like lining for warmth. Rugged traction updates echo winterized classics like the Air Jordan 9 and 14. The silhouette's ACG-inspired aesthetic and Baltoro-like hiking cues bring retro outdoors energy into streetwear. Initially available in big kid sizing, adult pairs may follow. Set to launch in October for $150 via Nike.com. Jordan, this release reaffirms Jordan brand's knack for bridging heritage and functionality, perfect for sneaker fans who won't let winter chill their style.